Hi, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. My name is Margaret. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Axkid Move rear facing car seat. This car seat is suitable from 9 to 25 kilos, which is roughly 1 to 6 years. Just like all other rear facing car seats that go up to 25 kilos, the Axkid Move also has rear tether straps, and before the seat can be installed in the car, the tether straps need to be attached first. When the seat first comes out of the box, the straps are attached to the back of the seat already, where they go when they're in the car. You have to undo these poppers to take the strap off, and then there's a hook on the end of the strap that's attached to a ring on the back of the car seat, and you just have to unhook it. On my demo seat, I've got tether hooks that the straps need to be attached to. So in the car, you'd attach them to the rails of the front seat. So I'm just taking off this little bit of elastic that it comes with. You then undo the strap. Now the strap has got a button on it here that adjusts the length, and you need to make the end that's got the loop on it, which is the one that goes underneath the tether point, as long as possible, because this will probably be too short for in the car. So you press that button and lengthen the strap quite a bit. Then you take the loop end, pass it through that tether ring, or in the car under the rail, pass the other end through and pull it tight. This car seat has a reclining foot that gives it two recline options. When it first comes out of the box, the reclining foot is tucked underneath the seat like this. When you position it in the car, especially if your car has very sloped seats, it actually makes the seat very, very upright. So because of that, you can recline the seat by extending the foot and folding it out. So you just go like this and then position it in the car that way. That angles the seat up a little bit more, which gives the child more leg room, and it also makes it a bit more reclined. I'm now going to attach the seat belt, which goes straight across the top of the seat where the child sits. The first thing you need to do is open the blue clips. There's one on this side and one on this side. They both need to be open. You then take the seat belt, pass it under the seat through this hole in the cover, pull it all the way through, and then you pass it under the cover, out on the other side, and back through this hole here, and then grab it. Then buckle in the seat belt, and then with your other hand push the seat right down into the upholstery of the car and pull this belt really, really tight. Pull it through to this side with your other hand and maintain that tension while you lock the clip. Make sure the belt is flat and then lock the clip into place. And on the other side, you only fasten the lap belt into the clip, but the diagonal belt stays above it. So you just make sure the belt is flat in the clip and fasten the lock like this. And I'm now going to attach these two tether straps that I attached to the tethering points on this chair earlier. So one goes on this side, attach it to the hook. The other side is a bit easier for you to see. So you've got a hook here on the end of the strap, and you've got a ring here on the shell of the car seat. The hook clicks in to that ring. Then you need to do the poppers back up that attach the cover to the seat. One here, and one here. And then the straps need to be pulled tight. That one and that one. And that's the tether straps done. And the final thing you need to do is extend the support leg until it touches the floor and locks into place. You press this button on the side of the leg will drop down to the floor, and then it clicks into place, and that's your seat installed. I'm now going to take the seat out to the car and show you how to do it for real. So we've now come out to the car to show you how to fit the Move inside this car. Let's put my coat on because it is a little bit cold out here. So the first thing we need to do is lengthen the tether straps before I attach them. Press the grey button, pull the end that's got the loop to make that bit a bit longer, and the same with this one. So you then take the end that's got the loop on it and pass it under the runner rail of the front seat like this, and then get the other end that's got the hook, pass it through that loop and pull it tight, and I'll do the same on the other side. So now that the tether straps are attached, I'm going to install the seat from start to finish in one go. So here's the Move. Position it in the car, fold out the extending foot and position it like this with the lip over the edge of the seat down here. Then open the clips, take out the seat belt. Give yourself enough length to pass it all the way through in one go. It goes under the cover, so you need to grab it from the other end, meet the buckle tongue in the middle. Make sure the seat belt isn't twisted anywhere, it's all nice and flat. Come back out through this hole, buckle it in, Then push your hand down on the seat really hard, take all of the squidge out of the car's seat, pull the belt tight and lock down this clip. Make sure the seat belt isn't creased. There we go, it's all nice and flat. And then on this side we take the lap belt only into the clip so the diagonal belt stays loose above it. So again, just making sure that it isn't creased and oops, lock the clip. So now I'm going to attach the tether straps. So we have to undo the fabric here on the back of the seat, oops, so that you can access this hook, because this ring rather, because that's where the hook on the strap attaches. So I'm now going down here, attaching the hook to that ring and pulling tight. Same on this side, and pull this one tight. Just give it a good tug on both sides, make sure it's even and nice and tight. Then do the poppers on the cover back up. One here and, oh that one was, oh here it is. That one. And the same on this side. And then drop the leg. So there's a button on the leg here that I press and make sure the leg locks into place. There we are. So I'm now just going to go around to the front seat to move the front seat back until it's touching the back of this one. So at the moment there is a little bit of a gap between the front seat and the back of the Axkid Move. You are allowed to have back-to-back contact. So I'm just going to slide the front seat back slightly until it lightly touches. And there you go. And the last thing you need to do with the Axkid Move, as well as the Axkid Mini Kit, is attach this, which is the ASIP block, the Advanced Side Impact Protection. You've got a little space here for a bracket on the side of the car seat here to fit into. Open this zip on the side, push it out of the way to reveal that bracket, and then there's two little arrows here and one little arrow there. They need to all face the same way. And then you place that bracket in this area here above the white bit, put it in its place and slide it up until it clicks into place. So that's the Axkid Move rear facing car seat from 9 to 25 kilos installed in the car. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.